New video, everybody. If I sound different, it's because I've been doing things recently. So here we have this beautiful drawing. It says 4 minutes, but here's the literal real drawing. 32 minutes. So yeah, let me know if y'all want to keep making art pieces like this, because I will be making more. Anyways, let's get to drawing. Okay, so what do we feel like drawing? You can draw anything. You know, let's draw a cool kid. Let me bring out symmetry. Nope. No, definitely nope. What the fuck? Oh, fuck, I had it upside down. Here you go. This channel is not for kids. I cuss way too much. Oh. Can't believe I'm gonna be doing this live. Not live, LOL. I don't have live, because I'm stupid. Okay, so after a little bit of struggle, we have the head. I just realized how small the fucking body is. Give me a second. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, since I don't know what cool kid's face looks like, I have it pulled next to me. Oh. We need cool kid, not black kid. Be right back. Epic half cool kid jump scare. Oh my. Let's give him a big old smile. Scrumptious. Oh. You know, we can fix this. We can fix this just a little. Doopa-doopa-doopa-doopa. Oh. What in the hell? Mickey Mouse. Bazinga! Oh wow. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wow. Here comes the hard part. Wow. Oh, his head's a little deflated. There we go. His head still looks a little messed up. It's the way I'm looking at it. You know what? We'll keep it like that. My favorite thing to do. Outline. Oh, hold on. I'll replay it. I'll pause it and then head to when I finish outlining. So yeah. I did it. I did it. I did just a little work off camera. Well, let's put a little star here. I'm gonna put my at somewhere here. Okay, here it is. Oh. Yummers. Yummer.